Welcome to Epic's Japan Experience, to bring you the best of Japan produced by professional Japanese marketer Ryan. Today I'm going to go buy this weird bottle, fish in a brown water, and do some easy cooking. By the way, this is natto, fermented beans. I'm going to use raw eggs, Japanese love them, and also some tempura and make a beautiful udon. Let's go. Hello everyone, I'm Ryan, I'm Japanese, presenting you from my house in Japan, and today I'm gonna use this dashi. So this is what I bought at the vendor, fish in a dashi. It's basically a fish broth that is based on soy sauce. And also the fish adds flavor to this broth, and if you look closely, there's a kombu seaweed in the back. Now let's cook and try this out. So how to use this broth? So basically you can pour it on some dishes directly, but most of the time you dilute it with water or boiling water, and it makes a really nice soup. Now let's go on to the first dish that I'm gonna make. The first dish that I'm gonna make, it's not even cooking, but it's what I'm going to use with natto. This is a fermented soybeans. I think it's one of the weirdest food, or I should say yuckiest thing in earth. Now, let's see. So this is the natto package. It comes with 3 packages mostly, and I'm going to open it. So actually it already has a sauce itself and this mustard, but some people don't use it because it tastes a little bit artificially. And to take off this film, it's really sticky, and I have to say it's really stinky too, sticky and stinky, and it smells like I should say someone's feet, honestly speaking. So some Japanese hate this. Now, I replaced it to a little saucer. And to make it delicious, you have to mix it. Mix it like hell. And if you mix it, the sticky things really enhances. So look how sticky it is. It's extremely sticky. Now, you can eat this alone, but I'm gonna use that fish broth. So now that it became extremely sticky, as you can see, I'm going to pour in this broth. Only a little bit of teaspoon, about this much, and pour it. And I'm gonna mix it again. And also, you can put some leeks in it. Japanese loves leeks, so put some leeks on. And this tastes yummy. It is basically sticky and yummy. And the best way to eat this, mouthful, is put it on a rice. So basically you put this on a rice and eat it with the rice. It's quite weird, but it's really tasty. So I'm gonna eat this. really tasty. So the umami of natto blends with the rice, and sticky rice is basically a little bit sweet, so it really matches well. And the leeks that I put in is crunchy and adds texture and to it. So this is a really actually popular dish in Japan. Now let's go on to the next dish. So the next dish uses raw egg. You can see the package. This is Mr. Yamada who made this egg. And I think Japan is one of the few countries where you can eat raw eggs. And I think this is because of the hygienist of the factory and some factors. So you should really check if you can eat raw egg in your country. But in Japan, it's edible. You should try raw eggs in Japan. So this is the Japanese egg, quite fresh. And next I am going to stir it, blend it well so the egg yolk and the white gets together. So most Japanese eat this pouring it onto the rice. I'm gonna put everything to the rice. And again, it's dripping. You mix it. You mix it. You mix it well, and it's sort of like a eggy rice. So you can taste this without anything on. It tastes great. If the egg is fresh, it tastes really delicious. So first of all, I think you should try it without anything on it. Really nice yolk. It's deep flavor, has a deep flavor. And again, the super magic to this is adding this fish broth. About this much, only a little, 1 teacup. And again, you're gonna stir it. Stir it. The taste levels goes up, like 10 notches up. It has strong flavor. The saltiness of this fish broth matches well with the yolk. This is a must try. Now, the last dish that I'm going to make is tempura udon. It's extremely easy. I bought everything at the supermarket. So this is a frozen udon, preheated at micro oven. And I'm just going to pour in boiled water, probably this much. And this is the important part. I'm going to use this broth and make a dashi soup. I have to unwater it, try the taste. Wow, perfect. That little of this dashi makes a perfect soup. Now I'm not just gonna eat this alone. I have a little treat. So to that udon, I'm gonna put in tempura called kakiage. So this is the kakiage tempura with shrimps. As you can see, there's a little bit of carrots and onions. And the calorie is same as Egg McMuffin. So it's quite a lot of calorie, I say. And to complete my tempura udon, I'm gonna put this tempura on top of the udon. It looks tasty. And I'm gonna put the leeks. Japanese love leeks, so pour in a lot of leeks. And if you like something spicy, a little bit spicy, many people put this on this Japanese spice, red spice. It's not that spicy, but it adds really nice flavors to it. So this is the finished udon, tempura udon. Look at this. So it only costs like $3 for this, and it's really tasty. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. This is called a sanuki udon, a udon type which has an extremely chewy texture. It's great. And the soup, it's awesome. I just used that dashi soup and it's perfect. A nice way to eat udon is basically you dive this tempura into this soup, soak the soup into it, and eat it. It tastes well. The shrimp and onion blends together. It's like an onion ring and fried shrimp together. It tastes well. So thank you for watching my channel. Today's theme was about this dashi, and I have to eat this udon while it's hot. So if it's possible, please subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Have a nice day.